How to fix the WhatsApp connecting issue on your iPhone. So if your WhatsApp is stuck on connecting, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and solve this issue. Now, first thing you'll need to do is just load up the settings on your phone. You can then scroll down this page and select General. Now scroll down to Background App Refresh, and then scroll down to the bottom of the page and make sure WhatsApp is turned on like this. You can then head back over to the main settings page, click on Wi-Fi, and if you're currently using Wi-Fi, you can try switching to your mobile data service instead. So I'm going to try turning off my Wi-Fi and I'm going to try connecting to WhatsApp using my mobile data. If it's not working, you can also try choosing another Wi-Fi network as well. Now, if you still can't connect to WhatsApp, go and load up the settings, scroll down and click on General, click on iPhone Storage. You can then scroll down this page until you see WhatsApp from the list of applications. You can then go and click on WhatsApp like so, click on Offload app, and then just press Offload. Now wait a couple of seconds and then press Reinstall app, and then just wait for WhatsApp to go and reinstall, and you can check to see if that solves the issue. Now, if it's still not working, there is one final solution. So go and head back over to your settings and scroll down and click on General. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now press Reset and press Reset Network Settings. You'll then need to enter the passcode to your iPhone. Once your network settings have been reset, you will need to go in, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network, and you should now be able to access WhatsApp without the connection issue.